Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa atta at home. First, begin by thoroughly washing your quinoa. This crucial step removes saponins, which can cause a bitter taste. For every 1 cup of quinoa, use 3 cups of water for soaking. Let it soak for at least 6 hours or even overnight to improve digestibility and texture. This preparation ensures a better tasting and more nutritious flour. After soaking, it's essential to drain the quinoa thoroughly. Use a fine mesh sieve to ensure all excess water is removed. Next, spread the quinoa in a very thin, even layer on a clean baking sheet or a dehydrator tray. Allow it to air dry for 24 to 48 hours. It must be completely dry with no moisture remaining before moving to the next step. Once your quinoa is perfectly dry, it's time to grind it into flour. A high-speed blender or a grain mill works best for this. Grind the dried quinoa in small batches, perhaps 1/2 cup at a time, to prevent overheating the machine and ensure a fine consistency. After grinding, sift the flour through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger pieces, resulting in a smooth, uniform atta. Now that you've made your own quinoa atta, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness. Transfer the flour into an airtight container immediately. Store this container in a cool, dark place like your pantry, or for extended freshness, keep it in the refrigerator. When stored correctly, your homemade quinoa atta will remain fresh and ready to use for up to 2 to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.